In this lecture, I am going to introduce you to the writing module. First, I will discuss about the question types and then I will show you the interface, how you are going to get those questions in the exam. So, first about the question type. The very first question type is going to be your summarize written text. You would be getting a passage or a long paragraph. It could be short also. You have to summarize that passage or paragraph, whatever you say, in just one sentence. You would be getting overall 10 minutes for that. And about number of questions, you may get 1 or 2 summarized written text. Let me show you how you would be getting this one in the exam. So the moment question is appearing on the screen, your timer will start. So you have instructions, then you have the paragraph here, and here you have to type your answer. Okay. So overall you are getting 10 minutes. Okay. And instructions are very clear. Summarize it in just one sentence. Your response will be judged on the quality of your answer. Okay, so what is the theory behind this particular question type, how to answer, what should be our approach, that I will discuss in the main classes. Okay, so this is your first type of question in the writing exam, summarize written text. The second type of question is essay writing. You will get a topic. It could be opinion essay, discussion, cause and effect, and problem solution or double question. There are basically 6 types of essays. I will discuss about all those in the coming lectures. So whatever topic it is, you have to write on that topic. You have to write at least 200 words and not more than 300. If you do not follow this particular guideline, then you will lose mark. Remember, not less than 200 and not more than 300. This is clearly mentioned in the marking criteria. If you do not follow this one, then you won't be getting marks in the form criteria. And about time, you will get 20 minutes to write that essay. And about number of questions or essays, usually you would be getting 1 only, but you should be ready if you are getting 2 essays. Let me show you how you are going to get essay in the exam. So it is also in same way. The moment you are getting question, your timer will start. Instructions are very clear. You have 20 minutes to do everything. Plan, write and revise an essay, or I would say brainstorming, then writing and finally proofreading. You have to write 200 to 300 words. Okay, like here essay type is what? Opinion essay. They are asking your opinion. Some people think human behaviors can be limited by laws. Others think laws have little effect. So this is your topic. You have to write essay here. You have like usual options, cut, copy, paste, whatever like word tools are there. Okay. So this is how you would be getting these questions in the exam. So if you are getting 2 summarized text and 1 essay, your total duration of writing exam would be 40 minutes. Okay. If you are getting just 1 summarized written text or summarized essay and just 1 essay only, okay, writing essay just 1, then overall it would be your 30 minutes. So duration depends on the number of your questions. So this is how you are going to get questions in the main exam. Okay, so that's all about this lecture. Now jump on to the next lecture to get a brief idea about the marking criteria.